Did you forget to
Okay,
record?
cool. Sorry?
Nah, never mind. I was probably talk about the
Were you
recording.
saying something, Andila? I can't hear you properly.
No, I wanted to comment on whether you are recording or not, but since you are already recording now, can you hear me?
Ha, when I record, there's no pause. I thought there was a pause.
Okay, nice. I think it's fine. You can go on.
Okay, cool. So today we'll be talking about something, a topic that is simple, building methods. Well, I'm saying it's simple because we use building methods like every day when we code. So that's our topic for today.
Okay.
So now we will start off with the simple stuff. Well, anyway, it's gonna be simple throughout the session. So let's start off with Andile. What is gonna be the output here?
I think the output should be a string of one.
I agree too.
Okay, cool. So I can ask something like, how would we know that this is actually outputting, because it's saying one and then this is one? Somebody maybe might be confused that, well, it's still outputting one. What's the difference? What happened? How would we see the difference?
I think
Uh,
maybe we check type of.
Yeah, Andile, you can go.
Yeah, we can check type of to see whether it's a string, object, or what kind of value it is.
yeah, I agree too.
Okay. Yeah, true on that one. Let's just on it there. So it'll say it's a string.
String,
So if maybe we pass in num, it's gonna now give us number,
for sure.
that one. Okay, cool. Let's move. Mm. So this one would be popular.
Okay. It will output an array of the strings 1, 2, 3, and 4, which they are separated by a comma.
Like this. And then four, like that.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
then Andile.
I also agree.
Okay, cool. Let's check. Okay. And that's correct. Let's move on to the next thing. And wait, is that the same one? I did copy the elements. And then we'll start off with Angela here. What's gonna be the output?
Okay, I've never used the string or an array, but I'll assume it's gonna be a string, like you using join.
So how's the output gonna be?
Like the string Kilebogile Mokoena loves to code.
And then what's gonna happen with the commas, the space?
I think
It's just gonna be
yeah, I think there won't be any spaces.
in the commas.
Or
It's just gonna be like
probably
this.
probably there might be commas, but I'm not sure to be honest.
Okay. So it's fine if I leave it like this, or like this, or like this.
I think let me take that one.
This one.
Uh,
Okay, cool. And then Pila, what do you think?
I think it will just um okay. I think it will have an array, a string with just that array. If like you know what I mean, like as it is explicitly as it is, but within the commas.
Mm, and
Well,
then
okay, like
what
not like that.
commas? This comma or the inverted commas?
no, it's saying
Well,
like
Or you
it
think
would be the array itself only enclosed
yeah,
by commas outside.
yeah,
like, and then da da da, and then
Mm.
like that.
yeah, yeah, something like that.
Wait.
Yeah, the array as it is enclosed with the commas. Yeah.
Okay, this one is questionable.
Well, like
The the one, the one for Pila is questionable, but the one for Andile is okay. It's understandable. Check the output, and then this is what happens.
Yeah,
The
comma.
output, the commas are gonna be there, but
Okay.
these spaces are not gonna be there because I think the spaces are just for that the code can be readable, but these are gonna be there. That's why I said like Andilis is understandable. But to say you're converting your array to a string and then still have this array. But once you put in this square brackets, you're saying it's an array.
okay,
So once you're going to a string, it's like now these square brackets you are like throwing them away now. You don't need them.
oh, okay, okay,
So that one is understandable, Pila.
okay.
Let's do another one. Now this one is similar to the previous one. We have a number and then we converting the number to a string. But now we have a the string takes in a parameter. What do you think is going to be the output, Pila?
Um, I think it would be huh, okay. Can I ask something? I'm not sure if I'll be
Mm-hmm.
right, but is it like 5 base 2, something like that, and then convert into a binary or something like that.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Damn, I forgot my binaries, but um, yeah,
No,
okay.
it's understandable that maybe you wouldn't know the binary number or the whatever your thinking number for that one, but you can say what you're thinking it would output.
Okay,
You can jot
just
down what you
let's,
think.
okay. Let me just say 5 base 2 as it is, even though yeah.
So you're thinking, okay, since all you're talking about bases, is this five ne? And
Uh-huh.
the output, is it gonna be in a five
Um,
something something something, or there's that five plus one, whatever, and then there's E. And then do you think it's gonna get converted into something else? Maybe, let's say, a binary representation of five. So it's not gonna be five, but it's gonna be converted to a binary.
mm, yeah. I think it will be converted to a binary.
Um, Five to binary. Okay.
Okay.
Andile, what do you think? How's it going?
Oh, can you hear me? So, Killer, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the output might be, but I think I do have that sense that I think it changes the numbers to, if you put two, I think it's binaries, but it's called radix or what?
It's called.
Like I'm not sure when you put the parameter or the but I think if it's the parameter is two, I think it converts to a binary number.
Okay,
Then
cool.
what is
So
the
this
binary
is
of five?
gonna be the same as Pilar's answer. So let's check it out.
What is the binary
So
of five? It's 101.
it does convert it to binary. So
Ah,
this is the binary number representation of five.
okay. Let's say I was to put
Yeah.
a 3 here, like what happens?
If you put in
A 3.
three here,
Yeah, for example, instead of 2. Like I'm
if
not
you
sure
put
how
in
this one
three,
works.
yeah, if you put in three, I forgot its name, and then well, the reason why I did this one is because of
Mm,
when doing coda byte assessments, they will
okay.
say change like a given number to a binary. So you
Mm,
see, you're gonna have you. It's gonna be easier for you. You just say return the number,
and then,
return the
but
number to string, and then you just do two, and then you're done. And then at that time, that question, it's a medium question, so you see you can just solve it fast. The last time on Codabyte I did one where they said we should return a ternary. So three is that ternary um
type of number.
representation of the whatever number. It's
Mm,
also a medium thing. You see, these are different now. It's also that question was also medium where they
okay.
said they wanted a ternary.
Okay, I get you.
So sometimes I think it's just like an
Oh,
advantage to know
so
this
the output
one.
was 12 for 5 if you put in 3 as a parameter.
Y- Yeah, yeah. If you put in three, it's 12.
Okay.
So it's a ternary
Oh,
value for 5.
all right. I think I understand.
Yeah, if you done media melods like me, you come
Yo,
across
yo,
this one.
I medium is always very challenging.
This one is just one of the cheesy one. Let's start off with Andy on this one.
Okay. All right.
Mm.
So now it will split the string into an array of words, not the alphabets. So Kelebogele will be Kelebogele and then Mokoena and the rest.
Yeah, I agree too.
Wait. Like this.
Yeah,
Oh,
like there will
okay.
be a comma, of course, like which means it's another array element.
Okay, cool. So I think I missed something. It's gonna be like that
And then on and on.
throughout. Okay. And then Pila agrees on that one. Let's check it out. And that's the output. So let's do another one. And this one is gonna be for Pila.
Okay.
What do you think is gonna be the output?
So the output will be equal to um, Aleppo. Aleppo. Yeah,
Wait, you're starting off
the output will be equals to Aleppo.
like that.
Uh, now with also just Aleppo, you can add the zero at the end.
Oh, the O. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the O. Yeah. Um. Okay. Then print out output one will be equals to. Okay. 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 I think the same thing is yeah. The output one equals to Aleppo again.
It's gonna be the same as the above one. Okay.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
the output and then output 2 will be equals to LAP.
The same. Okay, like this.
Yeah,
Do I
like
add the
that.
zero or not?
Yeah, and yeah, yeah,
Like this. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Andile, what do you think?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
I'm looking at the second substring, but I think they are the same methods to be honest, because I'm not sure which one is the older one. No.
Um, I think since all this one is like gonna
Duplicate.
be, yeah, yeah. So this one
Okay.
is like it's gonna be the old one.
Okay. I think I agree with Julia, with Pila.
Oh, you agree? Okay, cool. So let's check it out. So the only one is incorrect.
Okay. Then
We added
looks like
an O.
slides. It doesn't.
So what happens is the substring, this one, doesn't actually include the ending
Okay.
index. So you see, it didn't include O. And then this one includes the end. Same goes for slice. Slice,
Mm.
that one you got it right. Well, in most cases, when I use these methods, where I'm taking the substring, I'm slicing and stuff, that's the thing that I look at the ending. Does it get
Yeah.
included or not? I think on this one's methods, those that one is the tricky part. If
Mm.
you
Mm.
include the ending and then the ending's not included. Let's move on to the other ones. So we started off with Pila the last time, and Dile can go on this one.
Mm.
So what's gonna get printed, Andile?
Okay. We are looking through Telebohile, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the character to give us, give us, to make that, like it give us the async table code, right?
Mm-hmm.
So honestly, like I don't know the codes for these characters.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know. Um, we can not actually give the actual numbers for that, but we can write down what do we think is gonna get outputted.
Uh,
How is it gonna be outputted?
okay. Uh, like let's say zero. What is like? I'm not sure what is the character at zero.
So we can say jar code at index zero.
Yeah, and then I think it will go on like that. But I'm not sure about the
And
characters
then
specifically.
like the char character at one and then char character at two. So meaning we're gonna have like a number. Like this is gonna be number, and then this is also gonna be number. This is also gonna be a number. Ndile.
Okay. Uh,
No.
no. Okay. Like this returns the character of the string, right?
It's gonna return the character, not
Okay.
the number.
Okay.
Um,
So I think it will return like Kelebogile but in consoling K from like 0 to L to E at the end.
that's why I'm asking that is it gonna output a number or a character,
Now it'll output like the
a string?
character. Like let's say I think if it's 0 for example, then it will
Okay,
like output the character K in the beginning and then E and so on.
wait. Are you saying it's gonna output characters?
Mm.
Like I don't understand the output.
Like yeah, I'm saying it'll output the letters themselves. Characters.
So you're saying it's gonna be K,
Yeah,
but
because I think like I was kind of like misinterpreting it with character code as
so you're saying it's gonna say K and then E and then L.
yeah.
Mm, okay, I get it now. Pillar with K E.
Yeah,
This is L.
I agree. I agree too.
Okay, let's check ourselves. But because of this one, I don't think so. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I thought of something else. Okay, cool. Move on to something. This is still the same. This one, but just a little tweak there. Pila, what do you think is gonna be the output here?
I think it will output Kilebogile.
Okay, cool. And then Andile, what do you think?
Hmm. With no parameter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it'll probably return the whole string.
So you're agreeing with Pila.
Yeah.
Okay. So it only returns the first
Uh,
one,
There.
and then yeah, because of it doesn't have any parameters, it takes
Okay.
the default parameter as 0.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, this one is still the same to that one. It's just a little tweak there. Kila, what do you think this one is gonna do?
I think it will output um, Charcoal at 0. Okay, I think it would have put A.
And then Andile, what do you think?
Okay, I think. Ish, sorry, sorry. All right. So I think it would like print the corresponding async number for A. A, I think, oh, it's a capital letter one. Like I know maybe the small
Mm.
letter is probably 92 or something, but it would print like an integer. If it's a capital letter, I'm not sure if it's 97 or something.
Okay, cool. Let's check it out. So it gives us 65.
Okay.
Okay.
Pila didn't get it. What were you thinking, Pila?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Um, it confused. Yeah, they confused the car add method with the car code. That I thought they were like the same thing, but it returns the code. Compared to
Hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what happened to me like a while back there. I got confused. Char coded with
That's exactly what
car
happened
ad.
to me also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, let's do this one. So what is happening with this one is we have this string and then we iterate through this string, and then what we do is we convert each letter here. We convert it to the ASCII number. So if we take this one out and then we do char, we're gonna have like the ASCII values for each and every one of these letters. Let me do this like that. You haven't up. So this is the ASCII representation of each and every character. So now let's say I wanna turn back to my original string. What am I gonna like? There's a built-in function where I can take my ASCIIs back to
Okay.
characters.
Hmm. Character code adds.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the
So what do
other
you
method
think?
is
Hmm?
what from character code. Yeah, I think it's from character code, like to take the number and then that character code and turn it into probably whatever very like alphabet. So if you wanna change that number to alphabet or whatever character it is represented by the integer, I think yeah, you should use that method.
Mm-hmm.
Starting with string,
Sorry,
of course.
sorry. So we're gonna pass in our
We're gonna pass in our character there. which is our code, and then I think
Push it up that.
it all outputs the letters.
And then we have them back to letters.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Going back to array. Um, let's have Pilar answer this one. What do you think
Um,
is gonna be the output? Which yeah,
it will push it to the last, um, yeah, to the last, the last index of the array. The last index, yeah, to the last place of the array. Something, yeah.
so what is our output gonna be?
Oh, okay. An array of Kilebogile, Mokwena loves to code. Yeah.
Level field, la 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 la. And the last one will be oops, like that. And what do you think?
I agree with Bill.
We agree. Let's see our output. So we get a number. So does anybody
Okay.
think know what happened?
Okay. I think like push returns the index it pushed to. Otherwise, like it doesn't return the array itself. Huh? What happened there?
So what happened is, or what's happening is, our
Yeah, I think
push ne
yeah, that's okay.
returns the length of the
Uh,
array.
Okay.
So we pushed in the the code. So now it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with now
Oh,
added code. So we did something to the array. The
oh,
array, if you console log now, the array is gonna now do this.
okay.
Okay.
So in most cases, push doesn't really push returns the length. So in most cases, we don't return the push. We don't return the push. We return the actual array that we worked on. Let's move on to another one. This one is for Andile. Yeah, this one is for Andile. The last one was for Pila. What do you think
Okay.
is gonna be the output?
I think the outputs, the first one will be it will return code,
Output is
code,
equals to code.
and then the last one will be the array without code.
There. Da, 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 up until 2.
Yeah, I agree too.
Right, right. Okay, cool. Let's save it and check it out. And yeah, that one is correct. Move on to another one. This one, yeah, what do you think it's gonna output?
Okay. I think it will out, yeah, print out output is equals to Kelebogile, and then um, an array without Kelebogile.
Array is equals to, so it's gonna start off here. It will change like that.
Yeah.
And then Ndile, what do you think?
I agree, but I'm a bit unsure about something. I'm a bit
Hmm?
unsure about unshift because I think unshift also like does the same thing or
Also, you're confusing array. You're thinking about shift and unshift.
uh,
Well, shift and unshift, they do the same thing, but each
the same thing.
does a different thing.
Okay.
It's like the
Uh,
opposite of each other. Let me put it that way.
because like I think to oh okay yeah this one deletes and then I think unshift adds. I agree with Pillar.
Okay, cool. Let's see. So it's exactly the same.
Mm,
So yeah, you were right. Shift removes the first element in the array.
mm,
So if you wanna get rid of anything, the first in the array, anything that's the first element, you just
mm,
shift. You know, there are those challenges where they say remove the first, or they say remove like they say remove the first and then edit on the last.
yeah,
Um yeah, and then you have maybe like how many elements you should remove and put them at the last. So you have this, maybe like they give you a function that has parameter where you move elements, and then they give you the number of elements you should, they give you the array and then the number of elements you should remove in that array. So
okay,
this shift sometimes works in that, it works well in that type of scenario.
yeah, really.
So let's go to another one. Wait, wait. Let's have Pila, Andile. Let's have Andile answer this one. What do you think is going to be the output?
Mm, I think oh wait. Okay, I think it should be the array without the surname. Mugwem.
The, the array without.
The surname.
Okay, cool. So it's going to be killer, and then like that, then large, then da 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 da.
Mm.
What do you think, Pila?
I think it will have an array starting from Mokoena loves to code.
Like that, and then you,
Oh,
food, and then da 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 da.
yeah. I agree with Pila actually. Like it's removing the first one. It's as if now it's not removing the surname. It would remove Kile.
Oh, okay. You're changing to Pila's answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool. Let's see. And then yeah, I think Andile saw
Uh,
where you went wrong there.
yeah, like I was because it's the index one, so like I interpreted as if oh, it should remove that index one, but obviously it just removes the first element of the array. So that's just
Yeah, yeah. And then if we do this one, what do you think is gonna happen, Andile?
okay.
Mm.
Now I think only one element will be left, which will be code.
So it's just gonna be code like this.
Uh,
And then Pila, what do you think?
Um, okay, okay. So, okay. Um, Ivan. Okay. Yeah, this one. I'm not sure if when the when an item is removed, then the length decreases. So now I'm confused. But let me just stick to Andile's answer on this one.
mm,
Okay, cool. Same answer. Let's see what's gonna happen now. It start off here and goes there. Does
Okay.
anybody know what happened, or we can work through it together?
I
Because what
think
happens is,
just to
it
yeah,
comes, our I is 0, ne?
yeah,
So is I not equals to this one, the if passes. So what
yeah.
happens? We take out this one. So
Okay.
remember what shift does? It
Yeah.
messes with the original array,
So
right? So it takes out this one, ne? Meaning now the length is no longer going to be, what is this, 5. The length is 4. So
mm,
now our I is 1. So this one doesn't execute. We come back, it's 2. So when it's 2, this one executes. We take out Mukwena. What happens to our length? Our length is 3.
okay.
Is I less than 3? It's not. That's why it console logged loves to code. Because of shift,
Oh,
it messes with the original array. That's why now the length kept on reducing. When we kept on shifting, the length kept on reducing. And our I, that's why our I kept on going up, our length kept on going down.
Oh, okay.
But I don't think I understand actually. Let's say our length is 3.
Mm-hmm.
Like, let's say our length is 3, which let's say this starts at loves to code. Then why should it stop there?
It stops there because our I is 3 now.
And then, yeah,
Then
if it,
is I, again, I is 3. Is 3
eh,
less than the length is 3. Is 3 less than 3?
no, okay, makes
Like
sense.
no, then it's the for loop is done.
Oh,
That's why I'm saying here, if when I
okay,
increases, the length decreases because we keep on taking things out,
right, yeah,
then the length goes down.
okay. Yeah, I think one should be careful with shift, eh?
it That's what I'm saying. It's like what it does, it
It
messes with
messes
the
with the original.
original array. Like once you
Okay,
say array dot shift, this hard
mm,
array is gonna get changed no matter what you do. It
mm,
it changes, it changes.
okay, I get it.
Yeah. Pila, you're fine. Do you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, cool. Cool. Um, let's do this. Mm, this is one is unshift. So, like we said, unshift is the opposite of shift. Pila, what do you think is gonna happen here?
It will print out 4 and then print out an array of right. We love
Wait,
code.
I
Love.
didn't, I didn't get the first one.
Oh, it will um, print out number 4,
Hmm?
and then after that it will print out an array of right. We love coding.
We da 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 da. And Andile, what do you think?
All right. Uh, what unshift itself? Unshift. I'm not sure what it returns. Probably the length.
Mhm.
So yeah, probably it would return the length and then it would put rights at the front.
So you agree with Pile?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's check it out. And yeah, you guys are right.
Okay.
It does return the length. So here we're just gonna play around with different methods. Let's start off with this one. And Billy, what do you think here? What do you think is gonna be the output?
Okay. Uh, using concates of strings.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay. I think it will join. Uh, it probably will join the element with life, which means like it will console. We live, love life, coding life. Yeah.
Are we
I agree.
like are we going like this or each on a new line?
Each on a new line.
And then the coding live one. And Pila, you agree?
Yeah, I do.
Let's run it. And then yeah, that one is create. Let's say we have a different method here. Split by that one. Pila, what do you think?
Okay. I think it will have an array of WE, and then on the next line it will have an array of LOVE.
Wait. Like this.
Nah, um, just alphabets only. We can split by yeah
Alphabets.
of yeah just
Anjani. Space like this. What?
yeah, and then
Like that. So, and the love is also gonna be like L on its own, and then O like that for everyone of
yeah for
this,
every yeah.
and then this will be there. C for the coding. Okay, cool. And then Andile, what do you think?
Totally agree.
Okay, cool. Let's run that. And then yeah, correct. Let's have a different one. Let's have last index of. Then we have last index of that one. And then Andile, what do you think is gonna be the output?
I think it's gonna be one, and three, and minus one.
I agree too.
Okay, cool. Let's check it out. Cool. That one is also correct. Um, let's have that one. If it's like this, is the output gonna be different or are they still gonna be the same pillar?
Yeah, the same.
Anila, you agree or you disagree?
I disagree.
You?
Oh, no, the same.
Okay, cool. Mm, mm, mm,
Oh no. Ah,
mm.
Yeah,
I
You see, you guys are not
these are
focusing.
just that's stupid mistakes, man.
Yeah, so I added one now the length.
Of
I mean the
course.
index
Yeah.
changes. Okay, let's remove that one. Let's do a very simple one. We use it every day of our lives.
Mm,
What's gonna be the output and delay?
2, 4, and 5, or 6.
Hmm?
I agree
2,
too.
4, and
It's gonna
6.
be
2, 4, and 6.
2 4 6. Okay, cool. Pila.
I agree too.
Yeah, this one is easy. And then let's have method includes. Let's have E again. Pila, what do you think is gonna be the output here?
Okay. I think it will output true, true, and then false.
Yeah, I
And
agree.
false. You think? Oh, you agree, Anil?
Mm.
Okay, cool. Let's see. One is true. Okay, okay. Let me see this one. Let's see. Something, something. We already did this one, but let's start off with Andile. What do you think?
I think it's already is a string. So, but yeah, it will output the strings. We love coding.
They're just gonna be like,
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, yeah, the same. Yeah, the same answer.
ooh. So this is gonna be the last one for this one.
Okay.
So index of. Let's do E again. What do you think, Pila? It's gonna be here.
Um, output one, three, and then negative one.
Sorry, and then what do you think, Angela?
Yeah, I agree.
Coolly. If you do this one, what's gonna happen now?
Mm. It's gonna be
Angela,
one, one, and then a negative one.
Yeah.
okay, cool. Mm, 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 mm. Wait, which one? Oh, I'm here. So, Pila, you can go with this one.
Um,
That's gonna be the
it,
output.
yeah, the output will be an array and ascended order of the array. The descendant, the descending order of the array.
Similar kind of you. Start off with that number.
Okay. Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, agree.
So, three, two, one. Okay, cool. And then Angela agrees. Cool. Uh, mm, 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 mm. And the last one is numbers.
123.
Numbers. Numbers. They don't really have a lot
Mm.
of things going on. Angela, what do you think?
Yeah, it's gonna output the number 123.
I
One, two,
agree.
three. Number. Very cool. Did I say? Let's see. And then it's yellow, so it's a number. Cool. That one is correct. Then let's see if we have this. same conversion, but now. Pila, what do you think
It will
it's gonna be
output
outputted?
not a number.
And then, Andile, what do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
Same stuff. Cool. Wait. Um, Anila, what do you think?
It's not a number, but yeah, it's not a number.
Pila, what do you think?
Yeah, not a number. Yeah.
Mm, okay. This one is for Pila. What do you think is gonna be the output?
To print out 12,00.
Adile, what do you think?
Totally agree.
Same stuff. Okay, cool. Mm, 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 mm. Um, this is gonna be for Andile. What do you think is gonna be the output?
Hmm. The local string. I think it's gonna be, I don't know, Friday 31st March. Um, 2020.
Like that. Oh, okay. And yeah, like that.
Yeah, the local string.
Yeah, I might have to go with Andile with that one.
Same stuff. Okay, let me save and let's run it. Also
Okay.
includes our time
Oh,
as well. And then let's say we have let's say we have parameters. And then let's say we have US. Um if it's like this, do you think the output is still gonna be the same as this one? Yeah. Let's say same as this one, or it's gonna change.
yeah, it's gonna change now, I think, to represent the US time zone.
So the time here is gonna be different. It's gonna be US time zone.
Like I'm saying, it's gonna show the local time, the US local time and date. I'm not sure what time is it right now.
Wait, you're saying the time here, Agare here, it represents the hour, the what, and the seconds and everything. So you think this is gonna be in US or it's gonna be in our
I'm saying
own time?
US time, not our time.
And then the date's still gonna be the same.
Depending on what date it is on the US.
Okay, cool. I get what you mean. Pila, what do you think?
I think I will go with the previous answer.
So it's still gonna be this.
Yeah,
Oh, that one. Okay, let's just check real quick. Mm, 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 mm. It looks like Pila. No, I didn't save. I'm shocked. Let's see. Pila might be close because the time it's still gonna be our time,
Okay. Then
but
what
the
does
date
this
format.
like US represent?
Mm,
Because I think there are also like flags for Britain and all that stuff. I'm not sure what they represent.
Oh, okay. I
well,
think, yeah,
the
okay.
in US, ne, they are. This is how they write their date format. They started. They started off with the month, and then the date, and then the year. See, now we start off with the
Then I
year,
will do it all
and
basically.
then
We copy these
yeah,
people, we copy the Britain and but yeah, I get okay, I get your point.
yeah. It's
Which
just
the
that
format is
um,
different.
yeah, the time is gonna be the same, but like I also thought it's gonna change to US time zone when I was looking at it,
Okay.
but
So
it just changes the format. Yeah. And then I remember, I don't know if it was a Codabyte assessment. I don't know if it was a medium or it was a hard one where we had
okay.
to use this
So local
built-in
stream.
method.
Mm.
Yeah.
Eish.
So it's weird like that. It's weird. It's weird. So this is the last one. Is a function. Wait, did I take everything? Let me just copy that. I'm
I
getting
think
lazy.
it's missing the expression.
So we just have a function that takes in a string and then we use their built-in method eval. So let's say I have 1, 2 plus 3. What's gonna happen, Anbile? What do you think is gonna
Output
happen?
15.
Hmm?
Error return 15.
Yeah, I
15.
agree too.
And then Pila.
I agree with Andy.
Okay, same stuff. Same stuff. 15. And then if we have like a whole expression, let's say 2 plus 1, and then like that, and then I just have 3, and then one pillar. Yes, this one. Yeah, pillar. What do you think is gonna get outputted?
Yeah, I think it will be 7.
7. And then Andile,
Agree.
same stuff. Okay, I saved. Let's run 7. So this eval method, I
Mm.
also came to know about it on the Coda Byte assessment. I still don't remember if the the question was on the medium or hard level,
It was
but
on the medium,
I
I
remember
remember.
I was cracking my skull. And they say like
Wait,
we
can
have
I
this
ask you something, Kelly?
expression.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I also like returned eval for that medium type question.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if I actually like got it in like because I didn't get 100% for the Codabyte assessment. So I'm not sure if it was the first or second question because like it evaluate does like behave differently in other systems, especially like if, for other systems they won't allow you to let's say you hold that information as a variable, you can maybe only retain a value because there are some security vulnerabilities in using it. So I was curious as to, for you, did it work?
For me, it did work. Like I get it, you wouldn't know the other test cases, but the
Yeah,
simple
but
one
I
they
think for
all
Eval,
passed, and then the
especially
others.
for that question, I think for that question of evaluating a string, I think it should be like 100% for whatever mathematical expression. So, but I was wondering why I didn't get all the marks. So I was thinking maybe if I wasn't like accepted as an answer, if you had to work out your own methods.
Oh, I get you, but I think eval works. Yeah, I
Mm,
think it works. I don't remember. The thing is, I don't remember clearly, but
okay.
sometimes maybe for you not to get 100% is the other challenge. Maybe you spend a lot of
Yeah.
time on it, because I see Coda Byte, they also count your time,
Okay.
like on how long did it take for you to complete that.
Uh,
Yeah.
all right.
So let's move on to the next one. Let me stop this sharing, and then I'm gonna share a link. So in the challenges for today, ne,
Mm.
we're gonna debug instead of
Oh.
writing code from scratch. And because I know we all do that, but today let's
Mm.
have something to debug, because even in the BBD assessment we will debug.
Yeah.
I found some stuff on Code Wars. uh, They're not that they're not that deep, but they do. Let me post that link there. Yeah, I send out the link to that problem where we can debug, and then let me share the screen to it. So we will work here. We will not go to VS Code, because here is the same environment as when we do the code when we do the BBD assessment. It's not gonna point out that hey, you didn't do some correctly, the misspelling and stuff like that. So we will start off with this one. We will try to debug this one, and then here's what this is the instructions of what this function is supposed to do. And then I'll give you some time to go through it, and then we will see what we can do with it. You all got the link, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's
cool.
just wait a second.
Let's say, yeah, 5 minutes to go through it.
I am done on my side.
Okay. Andile. Andile, can you hear us?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear. Sorry, I was like attending to someone at the door, so let me just give me 2 more minutes.
Okay, cool. You can tell us if you are done.
All right, will do so.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I think I've went through the question.
Okay, cool. Um, can I ask something like when you get like a debugging question like this, what do you first look out for, or what are the things you look out for first?
Okay, let me start. The general, I just look out for each line of code. If it doesn't, or if I think that it will cause possible errors for, maybe let's say null, for example, it is not a number
Mm-hmm.
type, so
Mm,
I just change it immediately to 0, and then go to the next line, and then, because yeah, and then after that,
So
I
you
split the
basically
numbers
go
and stuff like
through
that
the code line by line.
through yeah,
Okay,
and then
cool.
try to
And then
improve it.
Andile, let's hear Andile's approach because yours is to go through the code line by line.
all right, for me, like I usually try to look at what the code intends to do, and then I look at if, let's say, we have maybe some, I look at the variables, if like the data types are the expected data types, and I also maybe
Mm-hmm.
look for misspellings or
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So, but yeah, I tried, and then I try to run the code, see what the error is, and start
Yeah.
from there.
Yeah. On that, just running the code, like before you can go through everything. Some people, a lot of people actually like they like to just go and run the code and see
Okay.
what's happening, and then they take it from there. So since well Pila is saying he goes through line by line, do you think Pila we should run the code first, see what happens, or go through line by line and then change whatever we think we should change and then run the code?
Yeah, we can run the code. Um, yeah, because of the problem is more than, yeah, line by line.
Mm.
Um, for me it was, yeah, for me it made the best possible sense.
Okay, it's giving us an error elsewhere. So let's say Let's say we go line by line. Let's take pillars approach. So I heard you saying, both saying now there shouldn't be there. Then we put in 0. And then let's go to the next line. Andile, do you think is there something we should change here with this line? Line
The
number 3.
deadline. Okay. No.
We should leave it like that.
Yeah, I think we can leave it like that.
Okay, cool. The next line, number 4, Pila, what do you think?
Okay. And number 4, we can change the incrementation of ix to ix plus plus instead of sum plus 1.
That.
Yeah. And then after that,
Okay,
yeah, change ix to 0 on line 4.
is equals to 0. Okay. Andile, what do you think about this line? Number 4.
Okay.
Do you think it's fine like this, the way Pila did it, or is there something maybe you would change?
Okay, let me see the original code. I think it's fine the way Pillar suggested, especially the incrementing part.
Okay. And then line number 5, what would you change? Or we are leaving it?
On line number 5, I think like the plus should come before equals to,
Hmm?
and then I will remove the plus 1 on digits. And also, since digits is a string, like I will add number to digits so we can add from some.
So we convert our digits to number
Exactly.
like that.
Yeah.
Pila, what do you think of line number 5?
Yeah, I agree too.
And then we return our sum.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. Let's test ourselves. Let's see the other test and then they passed. Okay, cool. Um, there's another one for
Okay.
calculation. Let me share that one. Where's the calculation? Let me share the link for that other one. Which one is this? Yeah. This one is the one that I just sent now. It's similar-ish to the one that we once got in the BBD assessment. Wait, which one is this? Oh, okay. It's this one. Let me share it. And then I also send out the link in the chat.
Oh, boy, I remember this one. Yeah, it's another
Yeah.
bad question. Yeah, I didn't pass all the
Mhm.
tests for that question.
um,
Nice.
you should practice. You might get surprised if it comes back
Uh,
again.
but I think it has to do with the edge cases for me. I think I was missing
Mm.
something on the edge cases. Okay, let's see here.
Yeah, so let's go through this. Yeah, we still have Nyana a few minutes. We can still go through this. Yeah, for 5 minutes. But if you guys got it, then you can shout out. 5 minutes have passed. Do you guys get it, or do you still need some time?
Can you give me 5 more minutes?
Andila, how far? Are you okay, or you need maybe a
Probably a
little?
minute or two.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm done on my side.
Okay. Let's wait for Andil.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, cool. So, like we've been doing, let's go through it line by line. So, the first line, Andile, what do you think about the first line? Line number 2.
Because, well, for me, I think it's unnecessary.
We should remove it.
Yeah, I think I would remove because if let's say one of these situations evaluates, it will return the results
Mm-hmm.
anyway. So I don't see where the results is being used.
Okay, cool. Pila, what do you think about Andile's statement about line number 2?
Yeah, I agree too.
So, if we are taking this one out, let me comment it out. This means even this return result, we should take it out. Okay, cool. And then Pila, line number 4. What do you think about line number 4?
Yeah, we can replace 0 with O.
And then the following line, Pila, what do you think about it?
Okay, and then um the if statement should
Line number
be on.
5.
Oh, okay.
What do you
I,
think,
I
line
think
number 5?
I think it's all right if it's that way.
Mm.
Okay, cool. We all agree on that one. And then Andile, this line number 6.
Well, I think like we should have like a closing brackets here, and also like else if one return, like this else if is, I think it's on the wrong scope.
So
Because let's say for example it is negative, but it will only evaluate if it's a plus, and it will return,
it's
so
gonna be
that code
returned.
will never execute. So that if
So what you're
statement,
saying is, mm-hmm,
I'll
mm-hmm.
like I'll close the braces there, and then remove like take that if statement out of that scope and put it below.
Let me do this to make it more visible.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
I'll even like remove
Um.
that else because,
Mm-hmm.
and then like yeah, it would say equals to that's question mark in the middle. Think it's a type.
And
Apostrophe, I mean.
then we are done with line number 7. And then, Pilar, do you think line number 7 is okay? Should we improve?
Yeah, yeah, it is okay.
Huh? Okay, cool. And then line number 8, it's fine. We agree on that one.
Yeah.
And then line number 10, Pilar, what do you think we should change there?
You can change the exclamation mark to replace the exclamation mark to the equals to, and
Hmm?
then replace the operator to the end operator. And then replace the first equal sign to the exclamation mark. Yeah, yeah.
Anila, what do you think of line number 10?
Line number 10.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
The
yeah,
way Pilar
I agree
implemented it.
with this one. It does not equals to zero, just in case we divide by zero. Yeah, I agree with line number 10.
And then line number 11, what should we add or remove, or we leave it that way?
Yeah, we'll leave it that way. And then I think we'll put the closing curly braces.
Do it like that. Okay. And then line 13,
And
what can
then
we change?
I think we should put the opening curly braces after the closing, after the closing brackets. All right. Yeah, I think finally I will return null.
Where? Here.
Like at the end, return results, I will convert it to return null.
Pilar, what do you think of the changes from line 13?
Yeah, I agree with everything that Andila said.
Wait, line 13. Am I lost? is 0.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Replace 0 with O.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um. Yeah. Let's see our toes. And then that one passes. It was just one. Okay, cool. I think this is where our session ends for today on the building methods.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, I wrote a nice one.
Yeah, a good one. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, that was a good session.